guys, welcome to The Fumble. I'm Rebecca Prince. When Max Kellerman joined First Take, a lot of people didn't think he had what it took to replace Skip Bayless. But after just a few days, he is already taking shots at Tom Brady, no less. On just his 4th episode as co-host, Max let it be known that he believes Tom Brady is nearing the end of his career.
Tom Brady's just about done. It could be his next game he plays, it could be a year from now, but he is going to fall off a cliff. Tom Brady is going to be a bum in short order.
As a Giants fan and a Patriots hater, I'm with Kellerman on this one. But despite Brady turning 39 next week, there haven't been any real signs showing that he's slowing down, and he seems to constantly find ways to evolve his game. The 4-time Super Bowl champ is extremely OCD about his diet, avoiding inflammatory foods, which Brandon Marshall is also now doing. Injuries, though, are unpredictable and only increase with age, so who really knows how much longer Tom will be deflating balls? Throwing balls. Let us know how many more seasons you think Brady has left in him, and for more sports news, head over to obsev.com/sports.